Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. You just heard that in the background. That was my new fidget toy for home. So, this fidget toy is huge, first of all. It's this big. There's my face. I have to record a fast video today. But at least I'm just giving you guys a video. You guys saw a glimpse of it. It is these rings, and these rings are all connected together. See? Well, they're not connected. It's just they are all separate. And what I can do is I can do a magic trick with these rings. Let's see how they're all separate. And now they're all separate again. Now they're all rings again. So, I want you guys to figure out my trick in the comments down below. Also today, tell me what your favorite food is and what your favorite ice cream flavor is. Let me repeat, what your favorite food is, and what your favorite ice cream flavor is, and what's my trick. As these rings. This is so fun. I just do it with it all the time, and I just feel like that. I'm sitting here before my video, just going like this. They come in this little pouch. It's called the Magic Ring Set. I'll tell you guys in my next video what these are going to be, what these are, and I'll tell you my secret. Alright, so seeing that it is 7:44, I need to start thinking about it. Get ready. So, what do you think my next video should be? Leave me in the comments down below. I can react to weird Amazon products, just not buy the weird Amazon products and test them out. But then I could go to my friend's house, record a video there, and that's my thing. This is just... You can't miss this epic Steven Universe new special event. Remember to stop it, you can just go like that, and that's the rings again. You guys might have these at home, and if you do, don't say the trick. If you don't have them at home, put it in the comments. I got these magic rings from Dick's Sporting Goods whenever I was buying my softball pants.
Plus, there's a space closer to the entrance.
Okay, so
with our profiling. Take those three. Shopping bag stalls are going back to the cars, which will leave us with a choice of 3 spaces. The question is, which one will leave their space first? Look at the pepperoni guy's bags. The contour suggests he's bought toys and juice boxes, so he's a happy family man, right? Wrong. Look closely at his face. See his constrained smile? That's the face of a man who's been broken by too much shopping. His wife has sent him to his car so she can have one piece. Now he's having a nervous breakdown because he's going to have to leave there for hours. Now this guy number 2. Notice he doesn't have a wedding ring. He's on his own. He doesn't have to wait for anyone. He'll get out of here quickly. But observe the mark on his wrist when he's walking. Is it stolen? Possibly.
So
Stealing. Or likely he just lost you forgot to put it on his phone. Either Okay, what's your point? He can't remember where he parked. This leaves us with our third subject. Left while I was busy showing off giving some other guy time to his space. Don't worry, the left person does need time with the old lady.
So this I got at this kind of it's also at the Hobby Express and it will be sold at Walmart soon. They have pink, yellow, green, blue, and silver. These are the 5 colors. I got the blue one, of course, because blue is my favorite color. Should I get my light? I'll be back. I might be made on the subject right now. There you go. It's brighter. These are called. Alright, so now I just told you guys what they were called. There's no point. So I'll do it.
Come on, guys. It's still a fun family day out. Let's turn those frowns upside down. Good enough.
Hey, you're not allowed to do that. It wasn't me. Oh my God! Are you okay? What are you doing?
Okay, so this is my favorite fidget toy. I'm going to go quickly run and get my other fidget toy.
It's a parking paradise. Vehicular Valhalla is for sword station.
No, it's not. It's a parking lot.
Let's go! More parking coming soon.
Sorry, I needed to see if it had opened yet. Massive sandwich!
Okay, so this is Crazy Aaron's Phantom Thinking Putty. It is Foxfire. I am able to do ASMR whenever I'm home alone. So if you guys suggest ASMR, then I'll try.
Good idea. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S.
Is it the suffocating feeling that we're never going to leave this car?
Nope.
Is it the slow onset of insanity?
No.
Is it super shiny sparkly sunflowers?
Nope. Give up. It was space.
What? Where?
It was there. But it's gone now.
What is wrong with you? Why didn't you just tell us straight away? No. Wait.
Okay, so this Crazy Aaron's Stinking Putty Foxfire is thick, and at the Hobby Express there was a pound of Crazy Aaron's Stinking Putty for $50. No, $40. But I do not have like a mic because I record on my phone. But once I get a vlogging camera, then I can vlog on the vlogging camera, and then I can get a regular camera, and then it'll be good. So I just need to find some YouTuber cameras, and what do you guys think will be best for me?
What? You thought that was defacing this poor person's car? What kind of mother would do that?
So if I can show you
This
guys.
is a decorative piece of art.
This is a blue light, and this says, this light green putty shines a bright blue with a green edge in the dark and turns a supernatural hue with the included glow charger. So this is called a glow charger, but it's really a black light. Really blind you guys with it. I don't want to though.
Or we could just give her a lift back to her car. Could we be of assistance in helping you to your vehicle? So, what does your car
Okay,
look
so
like? Right, I thought it would be. Okay, what else? How's it steering wheel? Okay.
you guys see it? Yeah.
Good, that's useful. Could you be more precise? It smells like damp laundry and despair. Confusing. Oh, it's got a lady on the side selling shampoo, and it's usually parked there. It's the bus, isn't it? Sure is! I'm a sucker doing to giving me a lift! Alright, enough with the parking lot. Let's just find a space. Any space.
So I can draw with it. Oh, you guys can't see it. You can sort of see it, but like it isn't that much visible. Here you go. I'll go over it again. There you go. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's here in real life. You're supposed to be able to draw on it. So this is a really fun putty. Maybe you'll be able to see it if I keep the light in it for a while. You see it? Dark inside of the hole. This is the putty. It's a really cool putty. I love this putty. So it's time for me to something like this cool. So I hope you guys like this video. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment down below.
My friends, we have
Comment down below. What is your favorite food? Ice cream flavor. And what do you think my trick is for that? And that is all. Thank you. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. And I will see you guys later.